today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error E4 or the paper jam in your HP Invoice 6400 series printer. You can follow it for all printers in this series. So open the ink cartridge chamber, as you can lift this door, and go to the back of this printer. As you can see, there is a place to open the tray. So once you open it, you can see the paper inside it. So remove all the pages which are stuck here. Now place it back. Close the ink cartridge chamber. On the printer screen we have to go and press the cancel button so that we can reset it, and your printer should be ready to use. So this way we can fix the error E4 or the paper jam. Thanks for watching.